Smart Stove, an entirely new type of wood-burning stove. Light the fire, close the door and leave the rest to Warm Smart Control. Save up to 50% on firewood. Use the app on your Android phone or tablet to adjust the temperature. Find out more about Warm Smart Stoves at your Warm dealer or on warm.com.
Warm Smart Control adjusts the essential air supply in your wood-burning stove. All you have to do is light the fire and add new firewood. Warm Smart Control will do the rest. You will get a message when it's time to add more firewood. Warm Smart Control comes with a thermostat, which allows you to choose the temperature level that best suits you. The temperature level is set via an app on your phone or tablet. Clean, complete combustion requires the right proportion of firewood, oxygen, and high temperatures. Once the wood-burning stove has been lit, Warm Smart Control adjusts the air supply through 3 independent air inlets. The temperature and the amount of oxygen in a flue gas are constantly measured by a temperature sensor and an oxygen sensor, respectively, and this information is sent onto the control system. At the same time, a room temperature sensor sends information about the current room temperature to the system, which will then be compared to the desired room temperature level set in the app. Based on this information, Warm Smart Control ensures, with seconds of accuracy, optimum regulation of the air supply. Compared to the amount of firewood, the right amount of air is supplied to the combustion chamber at the right place and at the right time for the benefit of the firewood consumption and the environment. When you choose a Warm wood-burning stove with Warm Smart Control, you get a highly eco-friendly wood-burning stove ensuring optimal clean combustion. A wood-burning stove that constantly measures the temperature and oxygen level in the combustion, thus ensuring constant and fully automatic adjustment of the air supply. A wood-burning stove that tells you when it's time to add more firewood. A wood-burning stove that offers up to 50% savings on your firewood consumption. Greater comfort through automation. A wood-burning stove also recommended for low-energy, air tightness tested housing and new houses in general. A future wood-burning stove whose system software is continuously updated. With Warm Smart Control, you get an economical and eco-friendly wood-burning stove and more time to enjoy.